everyone, this is Panda Jenn again, and look what I got. It's another package from my good friend Lauren. I wonder what's in here. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. I am actually a big fan of her work. I just love Zigzag. This is awesome. Oh, Zigzag, you scoundrel. So scandalous. Oh, guess that's not all. It is a zigzag necklace. I am never taking this off. Ever, 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 ever. Doesn't it go well with my shirt? Remember these? Mwah. I actually have this one. I mean, I still have all of my Beanie Babies. No joke. But this one's even more special. This one's way more special, though. Thank you so much, Lauren. Oh, God. I love you. I love you. I hope that we'll eventually get to meet at a furry convention at some point, so we can actually party in person. So, oh, alright. I think I'm gonna cry. I think that's our cue to end it. Until next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.